Hey everyone, this is Alessandro Bruxel from Home Chef Seattle. Today I'm going to be sharing with you the recipe I use for a tasty pizza sauce. I hope you enjoy it. Let's get started. We're going to be using 128 ounces, 794 grams can of Italian San Marzano tomatoes. Start by transferring the tomato and juices into a food processor. Then add a couple sprigs of fresh Italian basil and blend it for just a few seconds. The sauce shouldn't be too thin. Some pizzerias would use the sauce just like this, but for this recipe, we're also going to be adding some aromatics and reducing the sauce. We're going to be adding 2 finely chopped cloves of garlic. In a saucepan, add a good drizzle of olive oil and the garlic. Sauté the garlic for just a minute, then add the blended San Marzano tomatoes. Then add 1 teaspoon of dry oregano and some salt. Bring the sauce to a boil, then reduce the heat and let it simmer until it reduces to about 2/3 of the original volume. And the sauce is ready for making some pizzas. And just to recap, you can make a quick and easy pizza sauce by just crushing or blending the San Marzano tomatoes with basil, and it will taste great. But by adding the garlic, the oregano, and reducing it, you'll get a sauce with more body and deeper flavor. Today, I am making a pizza margherita with the sauce, a sprinkle of Parmesan cheese, and fresh mozzarella, and I'm just finishing it with some fresh basil. As a reminder, you can find all the ingredients in the description below the video. I hope you have enjoyed the recipe. Please don't forget to like it, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel for more recipes to come. And now, it is time to eat. Buon appetito, and thank you for watching.